Are you curious about the best social media platform? Today we're diving into BlueSky and Threads to see how they stack up against each other. Both platforms aim to connect people and share ideas. They let users post updates, share thoughts, and interact with others. But how do they differ? Let's start with BlueSky. This platform focuses on decentralization. It aims to give users more control over their data. You can follow friends, share posts, and even customize your feed. Bluesky is all about freedom and privacy, which is appealing to many users. Now, let's look at Threads. This app is closely linked to Instagram. It's designed for sharing photos and quick updates with friends. Threads offers a simple interface that makes it easy to connect. It's great for those who already use Instagram and want to share more with their close circle. So, what are the key differences? Bluesky is about decentralization and user control, while Threads is more about sharing moments with friends through Instagram. If you want more privacy and customization, Bluesky might be the better choice. But if you enjoy sharing photos and updates quickly, Threads could be perfect for you. When it comes to features, Bluesky offers a unique algorithm that lets users see what they want. Threads, on the other hand, focuses on ease of use and quick sharing. In terms of pricing, both platforms are free to use. They monetize through ads, but you won't have to pay to access their features. In the end, your choice depends on what you value more. If you want control and privacy, go for Bluesky. If you like sharing with friends and are an Instagram user, Threads is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.